Okay, so we're given this problem here and we want to find the length of C. So as you can see right now, I've got the angle B and the side B, and I've got angle C, but I don't know side C. So what I can do is I can set up a proportion where I've got the sine of 103 over C has to be equal to my sine of 28 over 26. So what I do now is I cross multiply. So I get C times the sine of 28 is equal to the cross multiply of the other piece. So this is 26 times the sine of 103. Before I evaluate it, I divide by the sine of 28 because I know the sine of 28 is just a number. And I get C is equal to 26 times the sine of 103 divided by the sine of 28. And I enter it right into my calculator just like that, so I don't have to worry about any weird numbers. So when I do that, I do 26 times the sine of 103, close the parentheses, divided by sine of 28, close those parentheses. And what I get is 53.96. And if you think about it, that makes sense because 103 degrees is way larger than 28, so C needs to be way larger than that 26. 53.96.